हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम आदित्य सिंघानिया। सो मैं आज ऑप्शनेबल्स के वर्कशॉप में हूँ। आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग दिस गाइज सिंस ऑलमोस्ट 2021 एंड मेरे ट्रेडिंग करियर में ऑप्शनेबल्स का इन जनरल बहुत बड़ा हाथ रहा है एंड आई लव देयर फ्री कंटेंट इन जनरल यूट्यूब पे एंड द वैल्यू एडिशन दे डू। आई वॉज वेरी लकी कि आज मुझे उनके वर्कशॉप पे भी आने मिला। लकीली आई वॉज वन ऑफ द शॉर्ट लिस्टेड गाइज जिनको वर्कशॉप अटेंड करने मिला। एंड क्या ब्यूटीफुल प्रेजेंटेशन था, सारे इतने अच्छे स्पीकर्स थे एंड पर्सनली आई हैव रिटन सो मैनी नोट्स एंड घर जाके आई वुड बी रेफरिंग ऑल्सो। आई वुड हाईली सजेस्ट कि अगर आप इनको फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो तो उनका कंटेंट देखिए, इनके वर्कशॉप अटेंड कर सकते, ट्रैवल भी करना पड़े करिए बट अटेंड कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, I am Pranjal Jain and I have come to attend this Optionable workshop from Sagar, MP. So I have traveled a long way to cover, to attend this workshop, and this workshop is actually very nice. And I genuinely thank Team Optionable for doing this event, and they are doing this free of cost, which is a good service to society, and they are making awareness. It is not just a workshop; it is more of an awareness to how trading can work, and the explanation and all the strategies they give is very simple, easy to understand, and easy to execute. So I just thank Team Optionable for doing this. Thank you.
I am Akanksha. Today I came here to attend the workshop by Optionables, and I have been followed Saket, and it has been a good experience today. And I would like to add that women are now starting trading and taking active participation in trading and investing. And when we talk about the gender inequality, it is very important that financial literacy and financial independence plays a very big role in that. And talking about the trading and investing, it's all about the psychology and confidence, and which could be built. It's a process. So for coming here, it really gave me a lot of confidence, and on technical aspects I gained a lot, and thank you for that.
Hello, myself Vinayak Kandare. So I'm basically from Maharashtra. So I'm a part-time trader. So the team Optionables, I'm following these guys almost from couple of years. And what I like about these guys is they are simple and they are bit open, because nobody discusses their profit and loss and many other factors, the way they were in drawdown for last year for 5 months. So the way they handle the situation, and they are openly telling it to the people. So that is commendable, because every single trader goes in a drawdown phase, and they don't understand how to come out of it, and after some time they give up. So Optionables have told me how I can come back out of such a bad phase. Saket has covered options trading part, selling part, how they do adjustment. Then the second thing was Ayush, he covered the value investing and momentum investing. So that was also a very nice talk. So I really wish you guys all the success. The event was really good. All the attendants were fantastic, and food, everything, all things were very good. I wish all the best for you guys. Thank you.